Hello guys, so in this video we will learn that how can we add and subtract two images of same width and height. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in order to add two images, you have to first import your OpenCV module, and after that you have to load your two images using the imread method. After that, there are two ways or two methods to add two images. In the first method, which I'm going to discuss right now, it will work, but it is not that good to use professionally. So first of all, what you have to do is that you have to use the add method. Inside the add method, you have to pass on your two images, and this method simply add the pixels present inside the two images, and you can store the final image inside the img final variable that I have right now created. You can use any other variable. Here I have used img final, and after that you can simply show the image, show the output using the imshow method, and use your wait key in order to determine for how long the image has to stay on your screen. So this is method number one. It is very simple. It simply just adds the pixels present in the two images. Now let us see the second method. So for using the second method, you have to again first load the two images, and you have to use another method, that is add weighted. So what add weighted do is that it will take the two images inside its argument, and also it takes how much weightage you have to give to each image. For example, suppose in this example I have first passed img1, then I have passed 0.5. so what 0.5 does is that it basically determines the weightage of image 1, the weight of image 1. Then I have passed image 2 and then 0.4. so 0.4 determines the weightage of image 2 while adding the two images. And as a last argument, I have passed a gamma value. After that, I will be storing the final image in a variable. Here I am using that variable as weighted sum, and after that I will just simply show the output and use a weighted key to determine how long I want the image to stay on the screen. So this is how these are two methods by which you can add two images. But remember, in both the methods, the images have to be of same width and height. Now let us discuss how can we subtract the two images, that is subtract the two pixels present in the two images. To do that, you have to first import your OpenCV module and load the two images that you want to subtract from each other. After that, you have to use the subtract method, and as the parameters you have to pass both the images, that is image 1 and image 2 inside the arguments, and store the final image inside another variable. Here that variable is sub. So sub is the image formed after subtracting image 2 from image 1, the pixels of image 2 from pixels of image 1. After that, I will simply again repeat my previous steps. I will display the output using the imshow method, and wait key will determine how long the image is going to stay on the screen. So this is how I can do the subtraction, perform subtraction between two images. Also, you have to take care that both the images that you are using are of same width and height. Otherwise, there will be an error. So this is how you can perform subtraction as well as addition. So in the next video, we will be discussing our bitwise operations that we can perform on our binary images. And the operations that we are going to discuss are AND, OR, XOR, and NOT. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.